All right, guys, we were working on today on a 2020 Honda CRV. And the vehicle's looking like this, so I guarantee you we're gonna make it looking better. Let's go ahead and look inside how the interior looks. Look at that. This vehicle just came from Indiana. It is a college vehicle. All that bug splats and stuff. We're gonna take care of that. So, all right, guys. Let's go ahead and show you guys the interior. So, guys, let's go ahead and look inside how it looks. Right here. So, show you guys a quick look how this vehicle looks inside. Not bad. Nice and clean and sanitized. Oh man, this door is set. Give you guys a quick close up. All right, guys, I'm gonna start working on this interior. Before I blow everything out, I like to vacuum all this heavy stuff first. The bigger heavy crumbs. Or like I like steam cleaning everything, make sure everything is all cleaned out. And I'm gonna remove the carpet to vacuum and clean underneath it. All right, the center console here in the bottom is all done. Right. The steering wheel, this is the second thing gets touched the most. It is your shift knob. And your radio. Still comes out dirty. Of course, guys, we're gonna go ahead and start it off with a quick vacuum blow and to remove the stain spotting. So let's go ahead and start with the detail. Well, guys, I had to take out the extractors just for this stain right here. For soap, they probably threw out soap when they went to do laundry. I do not see no dirt coming out. It's just probably all, how you call this? Laundry detergent. All right, guys, I believe everything is out. There's no more when you scrub. Ain't no more coming out of that soap. All right, guys, let's continue with the rest of the vehicle. All right, guys, the next thing is gonna get is a nice little protection on it. All lasts between three to 5 months. All depends how the client's going to maintain it. It gives it a nice sheen, non-grease. I like this product a lot. Go ahead and knock down the shine a little bit. And I'm going to do this through the whole interior. Give you guys a nice little close up. This after. It's non-greasy, non-slick. Gives it a nice, beautiful factory look again. All right. Like I said, the protection got every corner on this vehicle. Whatever plastic and rubber, now it's protected. Unfortunately, I thought I hit record. You guys could watch me how I wash the vehicle tires, wheels, and fender liners. But unfortunately, I forgot to hit the record button. Well, it is what it is sometimes. You know how that is. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. If you like the video, please hit a share. Alright, guys. If you like the video, hit that share button, subscribe, and that like for everybody else to see. And have yourself a blessed day. So, guys.